Here we are at the New York, the mezzanine elevator. Be a part of it. We have to be a part of the mezzanine elevator.
Only the coal is still there. The actual interior is modded out.
Oh, really? Okay, then.
Yeah, sadly these have been replaced. Like
Damn. Yeah.
partially.
Slam.
I think I recorded these a couple years ago. This is when they first started doing like the mods on this property. I want to say everything here is gonna get compassed up,
Interesting.
which is really sad, honestly. I don't like PDS systems.
Want to get the chime? That's a weird chime. That's like a weird fucked up Dover chime. Try for the motor. Never mind.
Cancel that last call. This is one of the only elevators.
And that's it.